G'day there. In this video I'm just going to do a little experiment with this microwave oven turntable motor, which is a synchronous motor designed to run on 50 Hz at 240 volts AC, or apparently 210 volts AC according to that. And it's got a gearbox and stuff built in. I can't really turn that by hand. If I stick these big old pliers on here, and just from the weight of the pliers, look at that. I'm actually slowing the pliers down there. Doesn't need to go too fast. If I do go fast, it gets really, really bright. There they go. So, Steve, if you're watching this, I think that might be the way to go for your latest project. Alright, thanks for watching.